And we're on the road, folks. I've joined back up with the group. Found them. They all seem in good spirits. Everybody's fed and watered. And the weather is glorious, so not much to complain about. Except for the wind, with the visor up, and bugs in the eyes, and those sorts of things. But, you know, yeah. Feels a little bit less personal when I got this visor on, because I don't think there's so much eye contact or any at all. But it stops the glare and it stops the headache, so it's worth living with for me, I'm afraid. We are batting along nicely now. We're going to get back to the services where I was, and then we'll continue making progress. Look at it, just glorious. The psychic up ahead, Hammerhead's immediately behind me, and then I've got Biker Buddy behind him, and a few other people that have joined them apparently, seems, so yeah, it's going to be lovely. I can't wait, feeling the energy for it again now. I know Hammerhead is absolutely knackered, he's struggling a little bit, but soldiering on. And this morning with the hay fever, that was terrible. Don't feel so bad now, a little bit in the nose, a little bit in the throat, but nothing like it was. I can breathe again. There's Biker Buddy. Pardon the silence, but this has been a lot of work. I'll close that just to try and make the noise a little bit less. But yeah, it's been a lot of work, and I don't really have the words for how I'm feeling right now. I'm tired, I'm sore. But we've come to do a really good thing for some very unfortunate people, and yeah, this whole YouTube thing has created a network of genuine good-hearted people I would now consider friends, and we've been and achieved this thing together. Yeah, it means a lot, hell of a lot. And it's weird because as much as I would love to be at home right now, I really would, there's something in you that says, oh well, you do this one and then there's one more left, and you've done it. You never know what tomorrow's going to bring, weather-wise and the challenges and things, but getting to the Eastleigh Point, it seems like next to nothing really now, with everything we've done. I mean, I'm now currently at 1,645 miles, and we got about 85 to 90 mile left of today to do, which is just, yeah, remarkable. I just want it noted on film.
What's that?
Who was there with the things when you needed them?
Oh, with the, yeah.
It wasn't the sidekick, was it? He weren't there.
No, well, he's rubbish. He just he was here and he's just like, I'm done. So he's
yeah.
He didn't come and save me. He ran over, helped me move the bike round, and then got me a bit of wood.
I wanted to see you drop it.
Joe's giving me a bit of wood.
That's it.
Yeah, nice big thick piece of wood. But yeah, I know you wanted me to drop it because you would have laughed.
I wouldn't help Lee.
I saw that.
So yesterday morning, we woke up on the banks of Loch Lomond, and today we're at Lizard Point. It's the most southern point of the UK mainland, and it's absolutely beautiful. And look at the weather. We're having a hell of a time. Check this out. And that, my friends, is the most southerly point in the UK. It is absolutely baking now. Beautiful weather. And that's 3 of the points down. Incredible. Absolutely incredible. We're now heading over to Land's End. And then back to the campsite. We've got 85 mile. And we're looking about 6 o'clock for arrival. Here we are. We are arriving. Here is Land's End. Woo! We're here. Yes, folks, we have made it to Land's End. We're going to go in. There'll be photos and stuff like that, or video there. This is as far as the bike can go, I'm afraid. Somebody bought it and turned it into some commercial property. Never mind. But he seems happy. A little bit sore. We've got about 50 more to do after this to the campsite. Everybody's happy, I think. He's happy, look. There's an happy face.
Knackered. I've seen shot the way, but
You happy?
Yeah, I am now. We've done it.
Got this far?
You got this far, one more to go.
John across the Land's End's done.
Yeah, that's
Tick
tick.
in.
And then one more point, and we've done it all. Been a mish, innit? Proper mish.
50 mile left.
And
And then put a tent up.
My bum's that numb, I'm like, ah. Yeah, and then the tent will be wet.
Yeah.
But we've done it.
We have. So we're here at the post. I don't think this is the original post. I think that's the original one.
Let's do it. Do you feel good now?
That's just made it so much better. All the pain has gone. I can feel my knees again.
Straight.
Yeah. Let's do this one for prosperity as well, just in case.
Post?
I think this is the proper post.
That's the 2022 post, isn't that the proper post?
I don't think it. Well, it's not Land's End, is it? Because there's more land there.